Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Ford Freestyle. This fob was used in its later models. So if you've got one of the later ones around like 2007, 2008, this fob might be what you got. So to replace this battery, key here is there's a notch in the upper right. So we need to separate this fob into two pieces. So right where my right index finger is here, if you can get some leverage, get a small flathead screwdriver or even another key works, go ahead, get in there and then just push and twist. You can start to get some separation between these two pieces. We got to get access to the battery that's inside. You also get some good access right where the keychain might go. Pop this in to two pieces here, and you can see we've got access to the internal CR2032 battery. You can just tap that out, or it'll fall right out there. And when you put in a new one, just make sure that the positive side is facing towards you. So the positive side has the lettering on it. Pop that in there. And there's a little rubber backing here. Make sure that that gets put back in the correct spot. It kind of covers up the battery here. You can see these two little notches there. So put the backing back on, and that'll just snap back into place. And that's how you change the battery on the Ford Freestyle. Again, the battery used here is a CR2032 3-volt coin battery.